WhatsApp, how to know if someone blocked me. So the first way is just to send them a message. You can try this. So just send any message. If it shows 2 ticks, they have not blocked you. If it shows 1 tick, it doesn't necessarily mean that they blocked you. It could mean that their phone is switched off or it's not connected to Wi-Fi. However, if you were just speaking with that person and it was showing blue ticks and then all of a sudden it shows 1 tick, that could mean that they blocked you. Let's say that you go into an argument with that person and then it just starts showing 1 tick, maybe they blocked you. Another way to know is if they have a profile picture or not. So if I click right here and then I click on the profile picture, if they had a profile picture and it's still showing for you, then they did not block you. However, I'm going to show you what happens if the account does block you. I went onto my other phone and I blocked the account now. So now if I go to the picture and I click on it, it says profile picture removed. This is another way to know if you've been blocked or not.